Car wash soap safely removes dirt and grime while protecting paint, maintaining shine, and preventing surface damage. Today's video is about top 5 best car wash soap that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at 3D Car Wash Soap. 3D Wash and Wax is an excellent car shampoo for anyone who wants a quick yet effective way to keep their vehicle looking clean and shiny. The Wash on Wax formula allows you to remove dirt while adding a protective shine in a single step, making the cleaning process faster and more convenient. After each wash, the car is left with a smooth, glossy finish that gives it a freshly detailed appearance. The pH-balanced formula works well at removing road grime and dust without damaging existing wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings. This makes it a great option for routine car maintenance, helping preserve the protective layer on your vehicle's paint. Its rich foaming action is another highlight, as the thick suds help lift dirt safely from the surface, reducing the chances of swirl marks or scratches during washing. It also rinses off easily without leaving residue or water spots. Overall, 3D Wash and Wax delivers reliable cleaning performance and a beautiful shine, making it a great choice for regular car care. Now our second product is Adams Polishes Car Wash Soap. Adams Polishes Car Shampoo is a high-quality car wash soap designed for safe and effective weekly maintenance. Its pH-neutral formula gently removes dirt, grime, and contaminants without harming your vehicle's clear coat or existing protection. The advanced formulation creates a slick, lubricated surface that helps lift dirt away while reducing the risk of scratches or swirl marks during washing. One of its standout features is the rich, snow-like foam that lasts throughout the entire wash. This thick foam helps trap dirt and provides a smooth washing experience. The shampoo is also safe to use on multiple surfaces including paint, rubber, vinyl, plastic, and windows, making it a versatile addition to any car care routine. Another bonus is the pleasant wild berry fragrance, which makes the washing process more enjoyable. It works great with a wash bucket, foam gun, or foam cannon and rinses clean without leaving spots or residue. Made in the USA and backed by a satisfaction guarantee, Adams Polishes Car Shampoo is a reliable choice for car enthusiasts seeking professional-level results. Our third product is Armor All Car Wash Soap. Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash and Wax is an excellent all-in-one solution for keeping vehicles clean, shiny, and protected. This 64 fluid ounces bottle combines cleaning agents, surface lubricants, and real carnauba wax to deliver a wash and wax experience in a single step, saving time while providing professional results. Its thick, sudsy formula gently lifts dirt and grime from the paint surface while helping water bead for faster drying and reducing the risk of water spots. The pH-neutral formula ensures it's safe for all automotive paint finishes, making it ideal for routine maintenance without stripping existing wax or coatings. Armor All Car Wash and Wax delivers a mirror-like shine that enhances your vehicle's deep, rich color. It works perfectly whether used as a traditional hand wash or with a foam cannon for a thick, luxurious lather. Gentle yet effective, it leaves your car gleaming, spot-free, and protected. A reliable choice for car enthusiasts who value convenience and impressive shine. Now number 4, Chemical Guys Car Wash Soap. Chemical Guys Ceramic Infused Wash, CWS 21264, is a premium car wash soap that combines deep cleaning power with advanced ceramic protection. Its high-foaming formula generates thick suds that gently lift dirt and grime from the surface, leaving vehicles with a glossy, hydrophobic shine after every wash. This wash is safe for all exterior surfaces, including paint, clear coat, glass, polished metals, and plastic trim. It preserves existing wax, sealants, and ceramic coatings, making it ideal for routine maintenance without stripping protective layers. The CO2 polymers in the formula enhance gloss while providing hydrophobic defense, helping water, dust, and road debris bead off between washes. Chemical Guys Ceramic Infused Wash works perfectly with foam cannons, hose blasters, or traditional bucket washes, offering versatility for different washing setups. Its concentrated formula ensures a small amount goes a long way, while the sweet berry scent makes car cleaning a more enjoyable experience. Overall, this pH-balanced, professional quality car wash delivers exceptional shine, protection, and satisfaction for car enthusiasts. And our last choice is Chemical Guys Car Wash Soap. Chemical Guys Hero Car Wash Soap, CWS_402_64SW, is a top-tier car wash solution designed for enthusiasts who want professional results at home. Its rich, thick foam makes washing safe and effective, reducing the risk of swirl marks while leaving paint, glass, wheels, and trim spotless and glossy. The soap works seamlessly with foam cannons, foam blasters, or traditional bucket washes, producing suds that encapsulate dirt and grime to minimize friction and protect the vehicle's surfaces. Its pH-balanced formula ensures that wax, sealants, and ceramic coatings remain intact, making it safe for all exterior finishes, including plastics and trim. Versatile and reliable, this foam soap is suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. Professionals and DIY detailers alike trust it for its consistent, high-quality results. The 64 ounces value-sized bottle provides multiple washes and pairs well with other Chemical Guys car care products. Hero Car Wash Soap is perfect for anyone seeking a glossy, clean finish and an enjoyable washing experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.